Replace and race. Please note that translation in Arabic is available in the description. In this game, teams take turns replacing an underlined word in a sentence with suitable alternative words. The team with the highest number of sad faces loses. The teacher writes a sentence on the board. Example: she peeled the potato. The teacher underlines one word in the sentence that will be replaced. As shown in the example here, the word peeled is underlined. Divide the class into two teams. The first team starts by providing a suitable replacement word for the underlined word. In our example here, they replace the underlined word with bought. The second team then responds with another suitable replacement, such as ate, as shown in our example. Teams alternate turns, each suggesting a different, appropriate word that can replace the underlined word while keeping the sentence meaningful and correct. Words must fit grammatically and contextually. The round ends when both teams can't think of any more options. If a team gives an incorrect answer or has no more options, they receive a sad face, and the turn passes to the other team. After both teams have no more options, the teacher writes a new sentence and underlines a new word. At the end of the game, the team with the highest number of sad faces loses.